Okay, so 2 trail tips. I'm going to say good shoes, because even though your car has good traction on the rocks, your shoes need to have good traction to follow it. So that's the first one. And the second one is hydration. Definitely. Like today it's 90 degrees out here and it's hot. And when you get out there, it's going to get hotter and you're going to need some hydration. So hydration and a good set of shoes.
Pro tip, don't forget to check your nuts. You gotta make sure your wheel nuts are nice and tight because you can't succeed in life with loose nuts.
Trimming Lexan bodies. Sounds simple, right? But when you're installing new rock sliders on your truck, got an Element Ecto here, and we got the new ElementRC Ecto sliders on it. And my hot tip is, when you put the new sliders on, or not only ours, but anybody's sliders, when you're trimming your body, always take off a little bit, not too much, because if you take off too much, you can't put it back. But you could always cut off a little bit more until you get to that desired height of your truck. And when you're trimming your Lexan bodies and you're mounting them into your rock sliders, leave it so just the top of the post stick up just a little bit, because what you want to do is, when you put your clips on, you want to push the body down into the slider, so later on if you have a violent rollover, it'll hold the body down into the slider nice and snug. It won't pop out over the top of the slider on you.
Check your batteries before you go and have a spare set in your trail bag. That's the last thing you want to have happen on your trail is your remote batteries die.
My trail tip is always check the screw on your servo horn before going out on a trail, so you don't damage your servo horn, or possibly lose it. Thank you guys.